well done, everybody who participated. Thank you absolutely for sending in your submissions.
We have 3 winners, and actually I'd say we have 8 winners.
Absolutely.
8 winning submissions.
Number 1, we have Mr. James from Proximo.
All right.
Well done. That was absolutely excellent. Good
I thought
job.
that was great.
So good. And I mean, the overall outcome of the product, like, honestly, I'm salivating.
Very close.
In second place, we have Miss Lively.
To come equipped for a Christmas bake-off with your own acetate
And the molds, too.
molds.
Like, that's dedication. What a picturesque, like, definition of Christmas.
And number 3.
And in third, we have Lauren and Mia.
Oh, of course, Mia.
That was.
And Lauren. And Lauren. Of course.
I'm sorry, Lauren. She stole a bit of the spotlight. She did. But again, great collaboration.
Okay, honorable mentions for every single person. This is our new tradition and one that I really enjoy here. Beth from Inniskillin, you're getting the Inniskillin Award because throughout that entire video, Beth was just Inniskillin. Guess what you get, Mike? You get the Mike Beller Award for the second contest in a row, man. I can't wait for somebody to come up and snatch that one from you. Allison, we had a couple for you, Allison. The I've Gone Vegan Award because I wanted that cake so badly.
Me too.
After I saw that. Tanya, the complete opposite. Never mind for real. This shit's ethereal. You see how light and fluffy
So
and airy
good.
and everything that
So
Pavlova
good.
was?
Well done.
Boom! The exact opposite. Got Jared left.
Honestly, even if this isn't his first time at a cake, obviously, like, we're not going up against professional bakers here. You guys are knocking the hell out of me. Like, this is so well done.
Are you kidding me?
Like-
I haven't seen anything that's not professional.
Like, it's so good.
Anyway, thank you everybody. Merry Christmas. That was an absolute blast, and we're looking forward to the next one in the new year, 2021. Merry Christmas, everybody. Congratulations. Well done.